Hello everybody, good morning and namaste. Kids, I am your Shushmita ma'am. Kids, in our last class we have learned about some of the healthy foods. You all remember? Very good. So, today we will discuss about unhealthy food. Yes, unhealthy food. Today we are going to discuss about unhealthy food or junk food. Okay. So kids, let me tell you, unhealthy food or junk food are those foods, if we will eat them, we will not get any energy. Yes, if we will not get any energy, we will not be able to play. Yes, we will not be able to study or do any work. But healthy food gives us lots of energy to do lots of work and to play also. So my question to you all is that which food is good for our health? Yes, healthy food or unhealthy food? Do tell me the answer, okay? And my another question is that which food you all like to eat? Healthy food or unhealthy food? Do tell me the answer. So kids, in our last class we have discussed about lots of healthy foods and fruits also. Hope that you all are eating those foods at your home. Now today we will know that which food are unhealthy food or junk food. Okay, so look here, she is Isha. She likes to eat healthy food. Okay, she is very active, energetic. Yes, and look how she is smiling. Yes, nice now. Okay, now see here. One day Isha ate unhealthy food and she continued to eat those foods for a long time. Now look here. Isha is not getting any energy. See here, she is feeling very weak and she is not smiling also. She is looking very sad. See here. Yes, now tell me, which one you liked? Isha when she smiles or when she is sad? Yes, we all like happy faces, smiling faces, and on eating healthy food, we all will smile like Isha. Okay? So we should always eat healthy foods. Okay? So this was my short story on healthy and unhealthy food. Hope that you all liked it. Now I will show you some of the unhealthy foods. Okay? Look here everybody. See here. Today we will discuss about some of the unhealthy food. Okay? Now look here. Do you know what are these? These are candies. Yes, candies. These are not good for our teeth. If we eat candies regularly, yes, our teeth will get pain and cavities also. Okay? So, candy is a unhealthy food. Now, see here. This is a slice of pizza. This is a slice of pizza. This is also unhealthy food. This is also unhealthy food, which is not good for our health. Now, see here. These are potato chips. Yes, this is a packet of potato chips. Do you know kids? It is not good for our health to eat these kinds of chips. Okay, so this is also a food that is unhealthy for us. Now look here. Cold drinks, also an unhealthy food. Now you all like to see. What is this? This is a lollipop. Yes, I know you all like to eat lollipop. So kids, if we eat lollipop daily, then our teeth will again get cavities. Okay, it is not good for our health. Now look here. This is our yummy ice cream. You all love to eat ice cream, but it is not good for our health and teeth also. Okay, if we eat ice creams regularly, it will create cavity on our teeth. This is an unhealthy food. So kids, all these foods are unhealthy for our body, teeth. Okay, so we should always try to avoid all these kinds of food so that we can stay healthy and fit. And also drink lots of water. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye bye everyone.